We saw a need in the market for this injector as it's fitted to one of the largest on-road engine applications in North America. Building on our heritage as an OE manufacturer of fuel injection equipment, we see it as a major addition to our all-makes injector program. We're launching the program with 3 part numbers that cover the most popular applications. We fit a new nozzle body, check valve, filters, O-rings, and other parts as needed. The injectors are tested for leaks, fuel delivery, injection pressure, and timing. We've determined that replacement of the nozzle body is necessary in order to get consistent performance and reliability. We fit a new check valve in every injector because we find if you don't, you could end up with inconsistent deliveries and inconsistent injection pressure, which once in the engine could cause issues like rough idle, poor fuel consumption, and poor performance at peak torque. Along with the ISX injectors, we've launched 2 new seal kits, HTK 129 and HTK 130, which includes the 2 filters. Injectors are backed by a nationwide 90-day no-hassle warranty and 2-year 125,000-mile on-highway warranty, giving our customers peace of mind. If you have any questions, please contact your local distributor.